The following is brought to you by PaulAkers.net.
Hey everyone, so I went down to visit my mom in San Diego. You know, she's 95 and she's doing incredibly well, but she's been locked up in the house for 3 months because of the COVID thing. We haven't really taken her out. My brother takes care of her. So I took her on a drive up to Julian on about a 3-hour trip to kind of go to some of the old places we used to go as a family. And one of those places was Julian, and we got some apple pie. Now, it was 92 out, so I didn't get her out of the car, but I ran in and got some apple pie and brought it back to her, and here's what happened. My mom, who hasn't been out of the house for months. Mom, look what I got for you.
What?
Apple pie and ice cream.
Oh, but no.
Yes.
Not for me.
Yes, for you. Okay, say that again, Mom. What did you say about the apple pie?
I said, you're a nice son.
I'm a nice son, hey? Good. Well, it was fun getting it for you. I feel like I'm treating you to something very special. Come all the way up here to have apple pie and ice cream. It was so hot today, I didn't want to get out of the car because, you know, it might be a little tough on Mom. It's like 92. So I just stopped at a local bakery, told the lady I had my 95-year-old mother in the car. She ran back and made a special piece of pie, warmed it up, and put ice cream on it, and didn't charge me for the ice cream. She was so nice, Mom. Isn't that cool?
Oh my God.
Isn't that great? Is it good?
You're good.
She baked it today. She baked 40 pies today. And you're the recipient of one piece. You want to give anybody any pearls of wisdom about life, Mom?
Yeah.
I don't need ice cream, but this is special. So what pearls of wisdom do you want to give to people today about life?
That it's special.
It's what?
Life is special.
Why is it special?
When you have a son.
Oh, when you have a son. Oh, that's cool. Just so everyone knows, I don't do any heavy lifting. My brother takes care of my mom, and it's a lot more work for him. I do nothing but come down and make a social visit every once in a while. So it makes me look good, but I really don't do anything. What else is special about life, Mom? You gotta tell people, because I'm gonna post this video on YouTube. What else should people know about life?
That you are a special person.
Who's a special person?
You.
Oh, forget about that. What else should we know about life? What else?
Well,
What's the secret to life?
to take it day by day.
Take it day by day, okay? And eat apple pie every once in a while, right?
Oh.
Do you like the handrails that Nick made for you?
Mm-hmm.
Aren't they nice? Yeah, I love them. Okay, love your Mom.
I love you too.
Okay.
Brought to you by PaulAkers.net, where you'll find all Paul's books and Lean resources for free, including the new 2-second Lean Play app, like Audible, but free. To listen to Lean is Lean on the 2-second Lean Play app at PaulAkers.net.